Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a pig cannon in Minecraft. It's basically a thing where it shoots pigs. So I'm just starting off with a simple base. You can make it really complicated if you like. Say like you could do a model of a gun and make it cannon at the end, but that's hard to do. I've tried that before. It's not very fun. Annoying. So I'm just doing it out of glass so you can see what's happening. There's not much happening, but yep. And then you put a piston in there facing downwards so it blocks the doorway so the pigs don't get out. And then you go here and you build up the rest of the edges and oh wait, that unblocks it. Yeah, you build up the rest of the edges. And then here, I just made a little tunneling tube. You just make it higher, I don't know why. And then you get a command block. And put it down in there. And you gotta make it like a repeat one. And you gotta do forward slash summon pigs, but summon with a capital S, and pigs with all lowercase, otherwise it won't work. At least that's what I think. And then you put it over. This worked last time I tried, but oh yeah, I think I know what I can do. I think I can block it, like not block it, but like spawn them all in and then break the command block. I think that could work. And then it could like work. So they spawn in pretty fast. Very fast actually. Probably a lot a second. Probably like 15 a second. So that's a lot of pigs. And it lags your game a lot. Oh, having some trouble. Yep. Keep going. This is a pretty boring process of spawning pigs, and it does lag your game. It might crash, but this is on Xbox One S. I've had it for a while, so it might crash. I hope not though. Let's pray that it doesn't crash. Yeah, it's very laggy. They make a perfect circle, which is pretty weird. In the background, if you're seeing some like black walls and that, then it's the horror map. Oh, there they go down. It's the horror map that we're working on. Me and my friend Tasmithy6 are working on. Go check out his channel. I'll leave the description below to his channel. And yep, that's what it does. So that's what a pig cannon does. And it's pretty useless, but it does it. Alright, sign off for now. See ya.